In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flowscope in TradingView Pro. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, or anything you normally trade. Once your chart is up, we're going to add the Flowscope indicator directly onto it. First, move your mouse to the top of the TradingView interface and look for the Indicators button. It's usually found at the very top of the chart window, and it might be labeled as Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the main indicator search panel, which is where you can find all the built-in tools, as well as community scripts and premium indicators. Once the indicator window is open, focus on the search bar at the top. This is where you'll type the name of the tool you want to add. Click into that search field so it's active, and then slowly type Flowscope. Make sure you spell it correctly, because even a small typo can cause nothing to show up. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators in real time based on your search. You should now see Flowscope appear in the search results list. Depending on how it's categorized, it might show up under community scripts, invite-only scripts, or a specific library. When you see it, simply click on the Flowscope entry one time. TradingView will automatically apply it to your current chart, and you'll notice new visual elements appear, such as additional plots, lines, or overlays, depending on how Flowscope is designed. If nothing shows up when you search, double check that you're on TradingView Pro, since some advanced tools or integrations may work best with a Pro plan. Also verify your spelling in the search bar. Sometimes clearing the search field and typing the name again can help reset the results. Now, before you dive deeper into using Flowscope day to day, I recommend checking the description of this video. I've included an affiliate link there for TradingView Pro. Using that link is completely optional, but if you're not on Pro yet and you decide to upgrade, it can help you get set up the right way, and it also supports the channel at no extra cost to you. That's all you need for getting Flowscope visible and ready to use on your charts. From here, you can start exploring its signals, adjusting settings, and integrating it into your own trading workflow inside TradingView Pro.